This is Guiding Light, a game that I made in 2 days for the Minijam 160. In this game, you control a moth that is attracted to light, and you have to strategically place lights with different intensities in order to guide the moth to the little window to the next level. Be careful though, since the walls in between the window and the moth can injure the moth. This is the story of how I made this game in 2 days. Currently, school is off due to summer, so I decided to participate in a game jam. The Minijam 160 was perfect since it's not too long and it's on a weekend. Now you might be saying that how could I make this game in 2 days since the Minijam lasts 3 days? The answer is that I had to go somewhere on Sunday, so I had to finish the game on Saturday. The theme of the jam is light, which was revealed before the jam started, so I could brainstorm before. So I tried to get some ideas, but I'm not really good at coming up with ideas. So I came up with the idea of a moth which is attracted to light, and you have to place lights in order to go to the next level. In the mini jam, there is also a limitation which comes with the theme, which is revealed on the day the jam starts. So the next day, the jam started and the limitation was revealed. It was speed is key. So what I decided on to implement the limitation into the game was to give lights different intensities, and the lights with higher intensities attract the moth more than the lights with lower intensities. So first of all, I made the project in Godot, which is the engine I mainly use. Then I created a prototype for the attraction mechanic using Godot logos, and first of all, I tested out one light. And then I tested out, you guessed it, 2 lights. After that, I tested out giving different intensities to the lights, and it actually works. So it's time to make some art. So I made a comically large moth and a lamp. The lamp looks especially good though. I actually didn't expect it to look this good. After that, I made the lamps spawn using the mouse, but there's a problem. Do you see it? Yeah, you're right. Currently, we can spawn 3 million lamps, and we don't want the moth to be permanently blind. So I need to limit the amount of lamps the player can place, and made a UI for the selection of it. I love Godot's UI system because it's so good. Making this UI didn't even take me half an hour. Now I'm not saying this is good UI, but who cares? This is a jam game anyway, which is rushed, and what I get for making this game is the friends we've made along the way. I'm not kidding, that's literally what it says on the game jam page. So the UI is done, and the little number on the top right of the lamp button represents its intensity. One more thing that I need to do before starting to make the levels is to make some props, some furniture, to make it look nice. So I made a cupboard, a fridge, a table, a chair, and another chair. After that, I made a wall which will stop the moth to add some interesting gameplay. So now it's time to make some levels. The levels are done, and now I can add a main menu, sound effects, and music. The music is by Pix, who is a really great artist. Go check out his music, link in the description. Anyway, so the game is done, and I also added an end screen with credits and an exit button, and the game was done. I submitted the game and it's up on itch.io if you want to play it, link in the description. That's gonna be it. Thanks for watching and join my Discord server. Again, link in the description. Also check out my other devlogs and subscribe. Bye.